Rising Kids with Skills. Welcome, kids. Today we are going to learn three-letter words with easy sentences. Let's start. Bat, bat. I see a bat. Mat, mat. The mat is red. Cat, cat. The cat is big. Hat, hat. This is my hat. Rat, rat. The rat is small. Cap, cap. The cap is red. Map, map. I have a map. Tap, tap. Tap the bell. Nap, nap. The baby will nap. Fan, fan. The fan is on. Pan, pan. The pan is hot. Man, man. The man is tall. Van, van. The van goes fast. Bag, bag. I have a bag. Wag, wag. The dog will wag. Jam, jam. I like jam. Hen, hen. The hen lays eggs. Pig, pig. The pig is pink. Fox, fox. The fox is clever. Fig, fig. The fig is sweet. Dig, dig. We dig a pit. Zip, zip. Zip the bag. Dog, dog. Ben is my pet dog. Log, log. The log is big. Sun, sun. The sun is hot. Fun, fun. We have fun. Bun, bun. I eat a bun. Toy, toy. I like my toy. Boy, boy. The boy is happy. Run, run. The kids run fast. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.